If we use firearms to describe the reliability classification of PCBs, IPC Class 1. Like the Glock 17 handgun, it has a simple design, intended for everyday self-defense use, with basic functionality that adapts to ordinary environments. IPC Class 2. Like the M16 rifle, more precise than a handgun, with greater durability and stability, capable of handling medium-intensity combat tasks. IPC Class 3. Like the Barrett M82 sniper rifle, designed for special missions, capable of maintaining extremely high precision and stability in extreme environments, withstanding high temperatures, freezing cold, humidity, and other harsh conditions, even in the most demanding environments. And at PCBasic, we have reached the highest level, IPC Class 3. No matter how demanding your requirements are, we can provide you with the perfect solution.